For all those tough scrubbing and cleaning jobs, you need a product that's up to the task. We're going to show you the advantages WypAll wipers have compared to rags and shop towels when it comes to absorbing liquids like oil. Using a sheet of glass with 3 equal amounts of motor oil on it, let's first see how well rags absorb. Next, we will show how shop towels absorb. Both the rags and shop towels appear to just push the oil around and do not completely absorb it. Lastly, I'll place the WypAll X80 on the oil. As you can see, the X80 absorbs the oil into the wiper and performs the best among the 3. So pound for pound, WypAll wipers absorb more oil than rags or shop towels.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.